If you're looking for a quick way to lose weight now, you're undoubtedly thinking of how to lose weight without dieting or exercise. While it's impossible to lose weight significantly or over time without making certain lifestyle adjustments, such as following one of the proven diets or completing an occasional HIIT workout, there are some things you can do to get started if you're starting from scratch. However, a nutritious diet and regular exercise aren't simply for weight loss. Working out and eating a well-balanced diet provide not only physical but also mental benefits, such as enhanced heart health, bone density, and lung capacity. Exercise has been shown to help people cope with stress, reduce anxiety and depression, and boost self-esteem. Number 1. Stop buying foods with added refined sugar. If you want to lose weight without making the big lifestyle changes, cutting back on sugar is one of the best things that you can do. Reducing sugar intake, exercising 4 to 5 times a week, and adding more protein can all be helpful with weight loss. And there's one surefire approach to cut sugar intake that always works. Don't buy sweets at the supermarket. This was proven to be one of the most effective approaches to minimize high sugar food consumption in a 2016 study, which indicated that if high-calorie items are more visible in the house, occupants are more likely to weigh more than those who simply had a bowl of fruit in sight. Number 2. Eat more protein. According to David Stash, nutritionist for leading sports brand Warrior, eating enough protein is one of the most crucial things you can do while trying to lose weight. Eating extra protein in meals and snacks can satisfy hunger for longer periods of time since it takes longer to digest, so you'll feel fuller longer. According to research from Harvard School of Public Health, a high-protein diet keeps you feeling substantially more full throughout the day than one that is high in carbohydrates or fats. Other studies from a 2006 study showed that those who eat high-protein meals are less likely to feel hungry later because of the ghrelin levels are lower. Number 3. Cook your meals at home. According to research from Johns Hopkins University, people who cook at home have a healthier diet overall. This, according to research, is because restaurant meals contain more sodium, saturated fats, and calories than food prepared at home. Home cooking, according to Hussein Abdeh, clinical director and superintendent pharmacist at Medicine Direct, is likely to use fresher products and allows consumers to include more veggies and natural components in their diet. Number 4. Drink more water. Water has numerous health benefits that are frequently overlooked, particularly when it comes to weight loss. We all know that water is important for sustaining attention and beneficial for our digestion. A 2009 study found that drinking half a liter of water 30 minutes before a meal significantly reduced hunger. This meant that participants in the study ate less throughout the meal because water functions as an appetite suppressor. Number 5. Eat without distractions. If you feel like eating at set times, Dr. Potter recommends, stop consuming calories at least 3 hours before night for similar results. Because doing so not only promotes good sleep, but it also prevents mindless snacking late at night in front of the television. Our eating behavior highly influenced by the atmosphere in which we eat and drink. Number 6. Prepare your meals ahead of time. Meal planning is a classic technique for those who don't want to revolutionize their diet or exercise routine. You can consume smaller portion sizes and more nutrient-dense foods if you prepare your meals ahead of time. While there's no guarantee that meal planning will result in weight loss right away, a 2017 study from the University of Paris found that a clear correlation between meal planning and a lower risk of being overweight. And number 7, get better sleep. After 3 lockdowns and several disturbances to daily life, it's simple to see why some of us have been sleeping poorly. Learning how to fix your sleep routine should be a top concern if you want to lose weight without diet or exercise. Aiming for better sleep is a realistic and effective method to lose weight or avoid gaining weight, Hussein says. A lack of sleep has been linked to weight gain in people of all ages, according to research. This could be due to the hormone ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger, being affected by sleep duration. You are less inclined to exercise if you are weary, which can lead to weight gain. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video helps you to understand certain principles and habits that are quite beneficial when it comes to quitting sugar and losing weight, as well as creating a new, healthy paleo lifestyle. If you're interested in watching more videos like this one, then click the link in the description for your one-day keto-friendly meal plan. Then hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. See you in the next video.